Let's start the another concept of the chapter. Now today we are going to discuss about Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers. Today we are going to discuss about the Prime Minister and their cabinet, या हम ये कहें कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर और उसके जो काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स है विच इज नोन एज कैबिनेट. वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट दिस, how the prime ministers and their council of ministers are worked together for the welfare of the nation, for the welfare of the citizen of India. Here we will discuss about all the points about the prime minister and their council of ministers. प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स के बारे में और उसके काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स के बारे में हम लोग विस्तार से चर्चा करेंगे. Prime Minister is the leader of the party. First thing is that, as you know that in India there is a multi-party system. There are so many political parties are there. Some are national party, some are state party, and some are regional party. Constitution give us right to form union and association. That's why every person are free to form their political party. They participate in the election. Some are win and some are lose. Basically, if we talk about the prime minister is the head of the political party which gets the majority in Lok Sabha election. He chosen the member of its council. The council of ministers are appointed of the president, the advice of prime minister. There is a leader of a political party. After winning the election, he become the prime minister of India, and he also एक तरीके से chosen the member, winning member, जो उसके winning member है उनको वो चुनता है, and recommend to the president as a ministers. President appointed the council of ministers, the advice of prime minister. जितने भी councils of ministers बनते हैं उनको president बनाता है, उनको शपथ दिलाता है, but these council of ministers are appointed with the recommendation of prime minister of India. So the prime minister is the head of the political party. In Lok Sabha election, if he just win the election, he become the prime minister. He chosen its member, and the council of ministers are appointed by the president. But these council of ministers are appointed by the president with the advice of prime ministers. Without the advice of prime minister, president cannot appoint any council of ministers. So the prime minister is more powerful in our democratic form of system. The council minister include the cabinet minister such as minister of home, defense, finance. These cabinet minister from the inner ring of the council of minister take important decision. Each cabinet minister has to support another cabinet minister in his work. All the council of minister include the cabinet minister. ये सब cabinet ministers होते हैं, such as home ministers, such as education minister, such as defense minister, such as finance minister. These are the cabinet ministers, and these cabinet ministers form the inner ring of the council of ministers and take important decision. They take all the decision with the advice. They also consult with the prime ministers. They also consult in their political party also कि whatever the decision we are going to take, it would be better for us or not. Socially, economically and socially and economically के साथ साथ they also check that कि politically हमें इसको फायदा होगा या नहीं होगा. To help out all these council of ministers, to To help out all the council of ministers, there is some ministers also, those who just known as कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर, और दूसरे होते हैं मिनिस्टर्स ऑफ स्टेट, राज्य मंत्री, दोज हु हेल्प द कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर, जो कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स की हेल्प करते हैं. सो प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स, कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स एंड स्टेट मिनिस्टर, दिस इज द हायरार्किकल ऑर्डर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. The council of ministers also include minister of state, as I told you, with the independent charge. स्वतंत्र प्रभार के मिनिस्टर्स होते हैं, एंड अटेंड कैबिनेट मीटिंग ओनली व्हेन दे आर इनवाइटेड. जब इनको इनवाइट किया जाता है, दे ऑल्सो अटेंड द मीटिंग. कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर, स्टेट मिनिस्टर्स, स्टेट मिनिस्टर इंडिपेंडेंट चार्ज. बेसिकली किसी भी विभाग में 3 मिनिस्टर्स हो सकते हैं. वन इज कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर, सेकेंड इज स्टेट मिनिस्टर्स, या जिसको कहते हैं मिनिस्टर्स ऑफ स्टेट विद इंडिपेंडेंट चार्ज, and whenever they have been called to attend the meeting, they are present. The minister of state assists the cabinet minister. As I told you, जो cabinet ministers होता है उसकी help करने के लिए भी state assist करते हैं, state ministers होते हैं. Every ministry has its secretariat who are civil servant. हर मिनिस्ट्री की अपनी एक सेक्रेटरीट होती है, in which all the secretaries are sitting there, और तमाम अधिकारी वहां पर बैठते हैं. द कंसर्न मिनिस्टर्स ऑल्सो टेक एडवाइस, नॉट ऑल्सो, ऑलवेज टेक एडवाइस ऑफ देयर ऑफिसर्स बिफोर इंप्लीमेंटिंग एनी प्रोग्राम और पॉलिसीज इन देयर कंसर्न डिपार्टमेंट. दे ऑल्सो कोऑर्डिनेट द वर्किंग ऑफ द वेरियस मिनिस्टर्स, और बाकी के जो मिनिस्टर्स होते हैं उनके साथ भी कोऑर्डिनेट करते हैं. सो काउंसिल मिनिस्टर्स, cabinet ministers, ministers of state of independent charge, there is a complete hierarchical order of the prime ministers and the councils of ministers. But all the ministers, after making the draft of any rules and regulation, before implementing, they always discuss with the prime ministers. Prime Minister is the supreme leader of their government. Without the approval of Prime Ministers, not any decision can be passed out. All the departments are independent to do their task, but their responsibility to discuss with the head of the department. सरकार का जो head है वो Prime Minister होता है, and he is accountable. So if he is accountable, the ministers are supposed to discuss all the issues with the prime ministers. So this is the hierarchical order of the prime ministers and the councils of ministers. So यहां पर भी आपका इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस है जो आ सकता है, इसको भी आप लोग नेग्लेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच.